Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how you go about adding or linking a credit card to your Cash App account. So what we want to do is from the homepage of the Cash App, go down and in the bottom left-hand corner, there's this little image that looks like a little building. We're going to click on that. And this is going to take us over to our cash balance page. So what you need to do to link a credit card is you first need to link a debit card. I know it's kind of annoying and not everyone out there is going to have a debit card, but I'm going to click on my linked accounts here. And you can see that I've already linked a debit card, and this is now giving me the option to link a credit card. So perhaps this might not be the case in the future, but at least at this point in time, you have to have a debit card linked to your Cash App account to link a credit card. So once you click on where your linked accounts are, below your debit card, click on the little plus icon where it says link credit card. And then it's going to take us over to a page where we're going to type in our credit card number. And after you type in your credit card number, then you're going to enter in the month and year of the expiration, as well as the CVV and the zip code that is linked to the credit card. So once you enter in that information, go ahead and click Next at the bottom. And then it should give you a little green check mark as long as you entered in all the information correctly. And then it's going to take us back to our linked accounts page, and you can see my previous linked accounts are right here, and the credit card that I had just linked shows up at the bottom. And that's going to wrap this one up. So I hope this video was helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how you go about adding a credit card to your Cash App account. And again, guys, you have to first link a debit card to your Cash App account before it's going to give you the option to link a credit card, at least at this point in time. So thanks for stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.